Hi everyone, welcome to Clove and Cumin. Do you often see beautifully marbled ribeye or other wonderful cuts of steak at the supermarket but hesitate because they're thin? Don't! Here are all the tips and tricks that you need to cook a drool-worthy, thin ribeye steak. Begin by dabbing the steak with paper towels so that the steak is very dry for the best possible crust. Sprinkle with salt. This steak is only about a ½ inch thick. Make sure your steak is at room temperature. Heat up a heavy skillet on high heat. Add some oil and swirl. Place the steak on the hot pan and cook the bottom for 2 minutes. Flip it over and cook the other side for 2 minutes. Repeat cooking each side of the steak for 2 minutes each for a total of 4 minutes on each side. Now turn down the heat to medium and add the butter, garlic, rosemary, and thyme. Give it a quick baste. Cook the sides of the steak for about 1 minute each, rolling the sides so it's evenly cooked. Once you're done, continue basting only until the internal temperature is at around 120 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. If you prefer a different level of doneness, just check the description for the relevant target temperature range. Remove the steak and cover with foil. Rest for 5 minutes. Slice and serve immediately. And there you have it, the best way to cook a thin ribeye steak. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.